am on a mission to create a better ball gown for Snow White than this one. And a month ago I finished my first version of that. But a lot of people told me that I should add more volume and drama to the skirt. And as I'm in it for the drama, I did. And by the way, by a lot of people, I mean 5, but hey, this is a small channel. I started by adding a hoop skirt. I love hoop skirts. I originally bought this one for my current project, what is trying to create a ball gown for Red Riding Hood. And I thought, why not recycle it, because that's trendy right now. This hoop skirt was a bit too long, so I cut off the last ring of the hoop skirt, and it also gave me some extra boning, what will come in handy later. Bone! The skirt looked a bit weird with only the hoop skirt, so I decided to add a petticoat. I'm reusing again because I'm going to use the same petticoat for the Red Riding Hood project. I got this lovely white fabric for it. First I reused all of those annoying commercial flyers that I keep getting. I glued them all together and then I made the pattern for half a circle skirt that was about floor length. I used this pattern to create 3 white half circle skirts that will form the petticoat. I gave them a waistband and an easy closing system. Then I attached the petticoat to the corset with some Velcro. And I also added Velcro in between the skirts so I could attach them safely together. What I love about the petticoat is that it is a bit too long, but it recreates the effect that you see in the original cartoon when Snow White runs to the woods. I also made one adjustment to the top. I wanted the top to be a bit more snapped, so I decided to fix that in the same way that I did with my Cinderella dress. I added some extra boning to the back.
What happens in my bedroom, detective, is none of your business. Bone!
I didn't film this process, but I used bison tape to do that, and I basically just sandwiched the boning between 2 pieces of tape. What makes the back look horrible, but makes the front look more snapped. And here is another aesthetic princess shot of me wearing the ball gown. Here you can see the difference between the ball gown with and without the hoop skirt. Please also notice the gorgeous backdrop. Please let me also know your opinion. Do you prefer the ball gown with or without the hoop skirt? I love the extra volume that the hoop skirt and petticoat added. But the train is a lot shorter. Okay, that was it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!